Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by importing your footage into Clipchamp and placing the clip on the timeline. Pause roughly where you want the freeze, then use the timeline zoom to see frames. This gives precision. Once done, nudge the playhead with the left and right arrow keys for single frame steps. This is faster than scrubbing. Make sure the clip is selected so the editor shows clip tools. These steps set you up to capture the exact frame you'll freeze. Now you create the freeze frame. Right-click the clip at the playhead and choose Create Freeze Frame. Clipchamp generates a still segment with a default duration. Drag its edge to lengthen or shorten the hold depending on pacing. If you want multiple holds from the same moment, duplicate the frozen segment and reposition it. Also, consider splitting the original clip first if you need the freeze between two motion segments, because that keeps your edits non-destructive. Finish by refining the frozen frame. Add transitions, overlays, or color tweaks to match surrounding motion. Make sure audio behaves, mute or extend the audio track separately, because Create Freeze Frame only affects video. Once satisfied, preview at full resolution, then export with your desired settings. If you don't see the freeze, zoom the timeline and confirm the playhead was exactly on a frame. Misplacement by one frame is the most common issue, so adjust and recreate the freeze if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.